Aloha, my name is Paris Maribet, and my journey of dancing started when I was only 4 years old. Ever since I was young, me and my siblings have been a part of a group that was under the directory of Larry Tago. My Uncle Larry has been a big part of my life and one of the many reasons I continue to have this passion. Though I have stopped dancing throughout my journey, I always found a way back. From a very young start, I knew that not only the dancing, but the culture itself would have a big impact on me. Every performance opportunity at schools or local functions, I was always one of the first people to volunteer and share this culture and passion with others. When I reached high school, I wanted to reach a bigger audience and became the founder for the Pacific Islanders Club at my school. Everywhere I go, I try my best to express the love I share for the beautiful dances being put on. I'll forever have my family and Uncle Larry to thank for keeping me close to this wonderful journey I still hope to continue.
Kiva ho te hinuai hone Ki runga ruarangi te o Wa po I raru nei Puhi hau te matangi Maua ke tuki rau mara amu te rewa Ko I ruarangi te ariki o te tai I toru Kua tangi te o Tangi te moana no koe Ko ruarangi te ariki o te tai Kua hewa ti manu Kua te tirangi Te nui raru nei Ua po Kaito te tā Kua hewa te manu Tangi hewa te tai Kiva ho te nuai honi Ki runga ruarangi te o Wa po I raru nei Puhi hau te matangi Maua ke tuki rau mara amu te rewa Ko I ruarangi te ai